Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be talking a little bit about nettles. In our past videos I talked about nettles as food, as medicine, tea, and of course at Sister Sage Herbs we use nettles for making tinctures. But today we're going to talk about nettles being used for lashing and making rope. And certainly around here in the Pacific Northwest, the local indigenous tribes probably use these methods, undoubtedly. And if you want to learn more about that, I really recommend this amazing book called Native American Ethnobotany by Daniel E. Moorman. I'll post the link in the video here. But anyway, I'm going to get to it. I'll show you how to do this here. So, this is an older plant. And here's our nettle plant. As you can see, these are the flowers here. Hopefully you can see that. And you want to wear gloves with this plant because it will sting you. So we can just take off the leaves. Just like this. And I'll save these leaves and dry them out. You can make tea with it. But we're going to just use the stalk here. And just to demonstrate. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take this stalk and you're going to flatten it. And just flatten it. You hear it crackle. Kind of. So we're going to flatten it. So then we're going to take, it'd be really good to really try and flatten that out. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just open this up, and it should be able to see. It should just kind of open up. We're going to carefully separate this. See how that goes? I'm going to separate this out. And we're going to try and keep these as long as we can, these pieces. And I suppose if you do this enough, you probably get really good at it, breaking these up. But this is what we're going for, is the this outer part here. Okay. There we go. So you can see, now you could probably separate this further. But we're gonna, oops. And then, so Ray Mears has some really great videos about this too. And you can dry this out actually. But this is really strong stuff, and I'll just demonstrate this to you, how strong this stuff really is. So